sit down please. Hello, good morning students.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm fine too. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, thank you. Before we start the lessons, let's pray first. Okay, Rio, please let your friends.
Pada Asano Alanjali
Om Swastiastu.
Okay, sit down. Okay, now I want to check your attendance. Kehadiran kalian ya. Are you present all?
Yes.
Nobody is absent today?
No.
Okay, thank you. Are you ready to follow the English lessons?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Sure.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Okay, before we start the lessons, I want to ask you, do you have a pet in your house?
Yes.
Do you have a pet?
Yes.
I know. What is your pet? Cat. Vito, do you have a pet in your house? Okay, how about the bags? Do you have a pet in your house? Bagas?
I have a dog.
Do you have a dog? And the others? What is your pet? May I know? Angira, what is your pet? Okay, rabbit, good. Some of your friends have ada dog, kemudian ada cat, ada rabbit. Can you tell me what's the characteristic of your dog? It has short or long tails? Long tail. Okay, good. And then how about you, Bagas?
My dog have short tail.
Oh, short tail. How about the ears? The ears? Is it small or large ears?
Small.
Oh, small ears. Yeah, okay, thank you. And how about Angira? How many rabbits do you have?
One.
Just one. Okay. Do you love your pets in your house? Do you love dogs?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So remember, even though all of them are just animals, but you have to love them. Why? Kenapa? Jadi kalian harus menyayangi mereka because even though they are not perfect like us, but they seem like us. They the God's creations. Jadi mereka juga adalah ciptaan Tuhan. So we have to love them. Yeah. Okay. Before we continue, let's sing together about the animals. Do you want to sing with me?
Yes.
Okay, let's sing the song. The song is about the kinds of animal. I'm sure you will enjoy it. Okay, we will start from lions and singa. Okay, let's sing together. 1, 2, 3.
Lion, singa, lion, singa. Burung bird, buaya krokodil, ular snakes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, just now I have asked you about the name of your pet in your house, and then we have to sing about animals. So, can you guess what is our material now?
Animal.
Yeah, you are right. Jadi sekarang kita akan bahas tentang animals, binatang. It is one of descriptive text. Okay, look at that. Ada descriptive text, the kinds of animals. Jadi jenisnya adalah about animal. What is it? The first animal, what is it?
Dog.
Yeah, dog. How about the second animal? Bird. The last one?
Lion.
Right. Ada dogs, ada birds, ada lions, and there are many kinds of the animal games. Next. Okay, before we continue, I will tell you about the purpose of our study today. Jadi tujuan pembelajarannya, the first, yang pertama, ada to compare. Jadi to compare the social functions, and then language features, generic structure, some of descriptive text, like animals, ada persons or place. But today we just focus about how to describe an animal. And then the second, two cats. Jadi untuk menangkap makna, two cats contextual relation with social functions. Kemudian ada generic structures and also language features of descriptive text. And then the third, jadi the purpose of study. Number 3, itu to arrange. How to arrange descriptive text using your own words. Yeah, you understand what I mean?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, now I will play one of descriptive text. You want to watch it? Yes. Okay.
Happy outside, and nobody's found a big fat bone. I have a dog and his name is Ben. He's my pet, my best friend. I have a dog and his name is Ben. He's my pet, my best friend. He loves to sniff, run and bark, chase the night rabbits in the park. He loves to swim and loves to surf. The beach is one of his favorite turfs. I have a dog, his name is Ben. He is my pet, my best friend. I have a dog, his name is Ben. He is my pet and my best friend. He shakes his head and wags his tail when he sees the postman drop the mail. He greets me with a kiss and a hug. I take a dance and roll on a rug. I have a dog, his name is Ben. He's my pet, my best friend. I have a dog, his name is Ben. He's my pet and my best friend. He cuddles at my feet when we sleep at night. We cuddle and hug each other tight. I love my pet, there can be no other. Have fun together, best friends forever.
Okay, that is the video. It is interesting or no?
Yes.
Do you enjoy it?
Yes.
Okay, after you watch the video, why I know? What do you know about the video?
Ben.
Yeah, good. The name of the dog is Ben. How about the other? What do you know about the video? A little bit?
It is about a dog and a dog.
Yeah, good. Is it right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is about, the video is about the dog and the girl. Okay, the others, what do you know about the video? Nathan?
The favorite food is big bone.
Yeah, the favorite food is buns. Do you know buns? No.
What is bones?
What is buns? Anybody? Do you know buns? You? Mira? Yeah, good. Bun is tulang. Jadi Ben likes to eat buns. Okay, the others, what do you know about the video? Back.
The dog color are white and
Yeah, you are right. The color of the bands or the dog is white and black. Is it right?
Yes.
Yeah. Next, anybody? What do you know about the video games? Anira?
It's like a play with the dog.
Yeah. The dog likes play with the girls. Any others? What do you want to know again? Maybe?
It has one big nose.
Yeah. It has one big nose or flat nose? Ayo, big nose or flat nose? Big nose. Yeah, okay, thank you. Okay, look at that. Just now we have discussed about descriptive. The video about one of the symbol of descriptive. So look at the meaning of descriptive text. Yaitu to describe a text that describe about animals, that explain about what animal is like. And then the purpose is to describe, then reveal a particular animals. Jadi untuk mendeskripsikan sesuatu, something like persons, animals, and then a place or the other thing. But today we will focus about how to describe an animal. Next, I want to tell you about the generic structures. What is structures? Yeah, struktur, susunannya. The structures. The first, when you want to tell about the names and then the oaths, umurnya, what is it?
Identification.
Yeah, good. Identification. And then when you want to describe about the colors of the animals, and then the tails, the ears, the body, big or flames, what is it?
Description.
Yeah, description. So, descriptive text have two generic structure. The first, yang pertama ada identification. Second,
Description.
yeah, you are right. Ada description. How to describe? Jadi bagaimana mendeskripsikan. And then the social function. The social function of descriptive text. The first yaitu to describe. Somebody who wants to tell me if you want to describe an animal, what is the social functions?
To describe something in specific like animal.
Yeah, good. To describe something in specific. The symbol is about animal. Jadi contohnya tentang binatang. And then, yeah, what is it? Ada language features. Language features. Jadi, if you want to describe an animal, the first you can use the tense is simple present. Jadi bisa simple present. Kemudian you have to use verb one. Jadi otomatis kata kerjanya verb one. And then the second, yang kedua itu using what is it? Using the name of adjective. Adjective. The symbol is he is diligent. He is lazy. Gitu ya. Like adjective. And then ada use adverb. Adverbnya apa? Like place, tempatnya, its habits, habitatnya, tempat tinggalnya di mana. Okay, any question about that? Do you want to know about descriptive text again? No questions?
No.
Yeah, so if you want to describe some things, you can use descriptive text. Okay, if there is more questions, I will ask you to do the first task. Okay, how many students are there in this class? How many students? 14. 14. Okay, 14. I will divide you to be 4 groups. 4 groups, yeah? Okay. 3 groups consist of 3 students and 1 group consists of 4 students. Okay, and then choose one of your friends as the leader. Okay, at the last of your discussions, I will ask your leader to present the result of their discussions. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, now I will start the task for you. Okay, look at your task. Okay, look at your task. You can look from the paper or on the whiteboard. Di depan yang nggak bisa dilihat. There are 2 pictures. Di sana ada 2 pictures. The first one is, what is the name of the pictures?
Bird.
Yeah, birds. The second?
Lion.
Lions. The difference, bedanya itu kalau birds, tame animal, sedangkan kalau lions, wild animal. Okay, your task, the first one, yang pertama, please write, please compare, ingat compare? Bandingkan. Okay, please compare the first identification of the picture ones. Kemudian identification for picture 2. Second, your second task, the descriptions of picture 1 and then the description of picture 2. Yeah.
Miss,
Yeah.
buatnya individual atau per grup?
Yeah, you just make it with your groups. Just one for your groups. Yeah. Okay, I will the times minute for you. Yeah, to you. You can write the oath that you want to guess. Jadi diperkirakan aja. How old is it? Yeah. 3 minutes again. Is it finished?
Suka memburu gitu ya.
Presentasinya satu orang sih.
Yeah, just one. Next, I will ask you to present one of your groups, yeah, as the leader. Enough? Cukup ya? Have you finished?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, good. Okay, we stop your discussions. Okay, now I will ask you to present the result of your discussions. Group 1, 2, 3, 4. Who want to be the first? Okay, the fourth group, come here, Bagas. Come on, give applause to your friends.
The first picture, identification. It's a bird. It's a tame animal. It's about 2 months. The description has 2 legs, 2 small eyes. The colors are red and green. It has 2 wings. The second picture, it's a real animal. It's a lion. It's about 1 year. Has 4 legs, 2 big eyes, a long tail. It has a light brown color and like to eat milk. Thank you.
Yeah, okay, come on, give applause to your friends. Okay, group 4, Bagas. Can you choose one of your friends, the other group 1, 2, 3, to come here?
I chose group 1.
Okay, group 1, come on. Ayo, group 1, give applause to your friends.
The first picture, identification, is a bird. It's about 2 months old. It is an animal. Description: has 2 legs. It has 2 small eyes. It has 3 colors: red, green, and yellow. And it has 2 wings. Picture 2, identification. It is a lion. It's about 1 year old. It's a white animal. Description: it has 4 legs. It has 2 slim eyes. It has brown cloud color and it has a thin head.
Yeah, okay, come on, give applause to your friends. Yeah. Tito? Okay, please choose one of your friends in group 2 or 3.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mira, come here.
Identification. Picture 1. It's a bird. It's pets or same animal. It is about 2 months. It is living in a description. It has red and green colors. It has small lips. Picture 2. Lion. It is a lion. It is white and warm. It is about 8 months old. Description: it is red and yellow. It has brown fur. It has long tail.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Give applause to your friends. Mira, just who wants to be front? Nomor 2. Yeah, group 2, come here.
Picture number 1, identification. It is pet animal. It is a bird. It is about 2 months old. Description: the color of the bird is green and red. It has 2 small eyes. It has 1 short beak. It is like to fly. Picture number 2, identification. It is wild animal. It is a lion. Description: the color of the lion is brown and black. It has 4 legs. It has 1 long tail. Has 2 slanted eyes.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Give applause to yeah, okay, thank you for your presentation today. Now, please wait a moment. I want to analyze your score. groups. I think all of the groups have high score, but I want to tell you about the highest score. The highest score is got by groups, the last groups, group 4. Okay, come on. Okay, the first I will give the plus point for you. Jadi nanti rewards-nya ada nilai plusnya buat kalian. Who got the highest score? Yeah. Okay, the second rewards. You still remember about the best?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, come on, give the best to group 4. 1, 2, 3. Tepuk the best.
Very good. Excellent. You are the best.
Okay, all of you are my best students. Thank you. Okay, that is your first task, and then for your second task, untuk tugas kalian kedua, please check your WhatsApp groups. Yeah. Just now I have told you about the group task, and now I will share the links. Look at the links I have shared to your WhatsApp groups. The links is about the task 2. Please answer all the questions in Google Forms. Yeah. You have to make it alone, not with your groups. So one of you was mixed one by one. Do you understand what it means?
Yes.
Okay. Please answer the questions. Next, I will tell you about the score. That is your second task. Okay. Before we close the meetings, any question for today?
No.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Because there are no questions, I want before we close the meeting, I want to ask you about the conclusion of our lesson today. Just now, can you tell me what is our material? Yeah. Descriptive of
Animal.
So can you tell me what is the social function of descriptive? Okay, raise your hand please. Yeah, Anila?
To describe something.
Yeah, good. To describe some things, especially about yeah, bisa animals, person, or place. But today we just focus about how to describe animal. And then there is about the social function. How about the generic structures? How many generic structures of descriptive text? Yeah, Mira.
2.
Yeah, 2. Dita, can you tell me what are there? The first?
Description and identification.
Identification and
Description.
yeah, description. Ada identification sama description. Okay, if you want to make descriptive, you have to use verb 1 or verb 2. Yeah, verb 1. Any adjective or no?
Yes.
Yeah, you are right. Okay, I think that is enough for today. And now I will tell you about your homeworks. Okay, for the next meetings in your house, please make one of descriptive text. You can choose one of your pets in your house. For example, like people. Just now you said that you have chickens. Chickens, yeah? Please describe about your chickens, and in the back ada rabbits. Describe your rabbits using your own words. And then make a video. Share it, just the link. So you just share me the links. Ya? Jadi silahkan kalian videokan. Nanti saya tulis tugas kalian ya. Okay, any question for today?
No.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Now we will close the meetings. Rio, please let your friends, let's pray to close the meeting.
Doa 1. Namo Santi.
Om Santi 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 Om.
Thank you. Have a nice day.